What's going on, crypto crew? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to do some technical analysis for you today on Xdc again. So we're just on the 4-hour time frame. So if we just look at this structure here, as I was saying in the previous Xdc video, I was saying I think it was around this level, and I was saying I was expecting this continuation back down into these levels, and we did get that slight continuation, but not as far into this level of support as I was expecting. And if we just dive over to the Bitcoin chart just really quickly, I was expecting for a bit more of a continuation back down and hold my hands up, and I did suspect that it was going to go down further, but as I say, you can't predict what's going to happen in these markets entirely, and you can see, we've bounced off this level of support for Bitcoin, and then we have broke out of the structure. So I am expecting the continuation back up to there, which of course is going to drag our alts up, as you can see. And if you just go over a few other altcoins, you will see yourself that the market is pretty green today, and we are pushing up. So what I'm just looking at here, this. In fact, I might just flick over onto the 1 hourly time frame just so you can see things a bit clearer. So you can see here, this was our lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we've pushed back into that level, and you can see we've had that rejection. But what you can see here is we have broken out of this downtrend now, basically, because this lower high has been violated. Basically, we've pushed up there with that strong momentum. So what I'm sort of anticipating now is we will continue to push up back into these levels. And I am thinking if we do get that continuation on Bitcoin, and we get the continuation throughout the altcoins, it is looking fairly positive that we could get that continuation back higher. But what I will be looking out for in XDC is because we have tapped into this level of support here, this major area of support. So what I'll be looking out for now is on the daily time frame. This is our major area of resistance that we need to basically break out of. So if we can get this push up here, this continuation into this level, and we can get that breakout of structure like that with some strong momentum coming into the market, not necessarily like that, but it's just an example. If we can get that strong momentum coming into the market, and we can get this continuation up and breaking this structure, then we are technically violating this downtrend here. Okay, and I've explained that in some other videos. So what I'm thinking is if we can get a break and close above this structure, and then the retest, then you can start looking for your continuations back up then to these high levels of resistance. So it is pretty interesting time for the crypto market, and it is funny how things can just flip from bearish to bullish just like that. We haven't really got an economic calendar for cryptos, like we do in the FX markets, where you could sort of anticipate, bullish or bearish news or that kind of thing. We just get these big pumps or big dumps just out of nowhere. So as you can see there, we're looking bullish at the minute. We have broke out this bit of a downtrend, but I will be watching for price to come back into this area and tap into it and see how we react from there. And of course, we'll be keeping my eye on Bitcoin, just basically to see how it starts reacting back up in these levels, because you can see here, the sellers are waiting there, and we have attempted a few times basically to break up and out. But if this daily candle continues to keep pushing bullish and we get a bullish close on it, we'll be expecting that continuation back up into these levels. And what I will be looking for, if we do get a breakout of this level on Bitcoin, then I will be expecting that continuation back up high up into these levels. But obviously I'll cover that when it comes to it. That's basically it, well, I'm not going to waffle on too much like I've said in my other videos. So yeah, looking fairly decent up to now. So just basically continue watching, see what happens for the day, and if we can tap into this area of resistance here, and then get that breakout and continuation, we'll be looking good for XDC. That's it though for now, everyone. Back with more videos today, so stay tuned for them. Take care, thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.